What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Joaquin Corrales, and in this video we're gonna dive right into finding the perfect Facebook advertising and actually creating it here live with you guys for an e-commerce product. So obviously a lot of the people that go through this channel want to learn more about Facebook advertising and maybe even do e-commerce and Shopify as well, and they want to learn how to make more money in their online business, right, in their e-commerce stores. And obviously how you make money in your Shopify store, in your e-commerce store, is by running Facebook advertising to the different products that you choose. So the first part is that you obviously have to pick the product, right? What product are you going to go out there and sell in your Shopify store? But more importantly than that is creating an advertisement that is going to get you the actual sales. And that's something that a lot of people struggle with. I get a lot of DMs, I get a lot of comments on a daily basis asking me, what are some of the strategies that I personally use to go out there and create these advertisements and know in a way if they're going to be effective or not. So obviously the first part, like I said before, is to find your product. In this example, I'm going to be using this product right here that's in your face, and I'm going to show you what I would do if I was to go out there and start a campaign to advertise this product. We're going to start the campaign and create the actual advertisement right here in front of you. So if this is the product that I would go out there and choose, then these are the first couple of things that I would do as far as creating that advertisement. So the first thing that I would do is that I would come directly to Facebook, okay? I'm gonna go to the search bar up here, and this search bar is super powerful. A lot of people don't use this, and it absolutely blows my mind. So I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna look for some keywords in the title. So a keyword here is, for example, vegetable slicer, okay? So I'm gonna put that there and I'm gonna search that. And then the next thing that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna click right here in the bottom left where it says date posted. I'm gonna click on 2018, and then I'm going to click on choose date, okay? And then I'm going to click on March because I want things that are very recent. And then right here where it says public post, I'm going to click on see all. Now, what I'm looking for right here are posts that have a lot of shares, a lot of comments, and a lot of likes, because I want to know that someone out there is currently making money with this product and making money from that advertisement that they are running, okay? So right here, right off the bat, I mean, obviously you'll see that there's a lot of different advertisements for this product and for similar ones, but this first one right here, right, it has 643 comments, it has 207 shares, right? So obviously this is a popular post, and 491 likes. So I'm going to click on it and investigate further. So obviously it is the same exact product that I'm trying to sell. And these people actually have a slideshow, right? They have a slideshow of images. Now, the reason why they actually have a slideshow, and this is just another tip for you guys here, is because when you create a slideshow like this, it actually doubles as a video. So Facebook thinks that it's a video, and Facebook makes a video out of the slideshow. And so you're then able to create lookalike audiences, and you're able to create audiences based off of people who saw 95% of the actual video. Okay, so now what I have a video that is obviously making money, right? And let's check the comments to see how recent they are, right? So we have comments from 2 days ago, we have comments from a week ago, 5 days ago. So obviously this person is putting money in this and they're investing in this, and it's because they're making money with this advertisement right here. So what we do next, the first thing that I do is that I want to use basically the same exact video that these people are using. And there's no problem in doing that whatsoever. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. And then the second thing is that I want to find a caption that is going to work for what I'm selling. So I actually don't love the caption that these people use here because it's a little bit too long. It's a little bit hard to read. Things are very close together. But what I would do is that I first need the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click here. Let's see. I'm going to right click here, show video URL. And I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to copy this link. And then I'm going to go to my browser and I'm going to go to facebookdown.net. Okay, fbdown.net. I'm going to enter the Facebook video link right here. I'm going to click the download button. And then what that's going to do is that it's going to allow me to download the video in HD quality. Okay. Just right click, save video, save the video, and we're good to go. Now, if we come back here for a second, I actually hadn't read this, but it seems like this is a giveaway. But this is actually a very good strategy that these people are doing, because instead of really doing a giveaway, what they're doing is that they're selling this specific item right here. And how they're doing that is that you see here how it says say yes to enter the draw for the amazing whatever. What's happening is that every time someone comments yes here, they're receiving a message, okay? They're receiving a message from this account automatically. and it's offering them like a huge discount on this item. Now I'm actually not going to test that because all I really wanted to see, all I was really looking for was a video to use for this product, right? I think that advertising with videos in e-commerce is 100% the way to go. So what I do is that I advertise most products using a video, and then I'll use pictures for like abandoned cart and things like that to get people back. So now that I have this video, it's time to go out there and create the actual advertisement. So I have one of my demo accounts open here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here to this create button, and then I'm going to have to decide which type of campaign I want to start with. So I will always create like a pay-per engagement or a pay-per-view. So this one and also this one for video views, but I always start with the conversion ones. And the reason why I start with the conversion campaign is because I want the ad to be created through there, and then I'm gonna come and I'm gonna create some other ones. But remember, this video is only focused on creating the ad. So we're not gonna focus too much on the specifics of this, but I'm gonna start a conversions campaign for, not for purchases. I'll just hit continue and choose add to cart. So remember, if your pixel does not have a lot of data, then you're not going to do purchase right off the bat. You're probably going to want to do add to cart. Okay, so where the heck? So add to cart, right? So I would start with add to cart if I'm kind of new at this, if my pixel is new. So right here in locations, I would start with the United States, gender, all is fine, English, all. And then I would put in here some sort of interest that would appeal to someone that would want to buy this. So let's pick something out real quick. Let's try kitchen. Let's see what comes up. Kitchen cabinet, kitchen garden, kitchen helper, designer, kitchen utensil. Okay, so I would start with kitchen utensil. Now, a strategy that I use here is that I want to uncheck this expand interest in this case because I only want people that are interested in kitchen utensils. You see how it goes down to 640. This is actually a pretty small audience. I want to go with a bigger audience more than likely. But a strategy that I use and that a lot of people don't understand is that I only want to put one interest here. And the reason why I want to put one interest is because if I put 5 of them and this campaign starts doing good, then I'm not sure which one it was, okay? So I'm only going to put one here so that if this ad set does good, then later on I know that it was because of this, right? And I'm only going to start it at maybe 10 bucks. Maybe sometimes I start at $20 because I don't really mind losing some money at the beginning. 1 day click or view. And now we get to the good part. So once I press this continue button, we get to the actual advertisement, right? I'm just going to leave this as my Facebook page, but obviously you guys would choose there. You would choose your store, right? So I'm going to click on single video. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here and I'm going to select the video that I just downloaded from those other people. Now what I have to do is I'm going to put the website URL here. Now, something cool about the website URL that you guys need to understand and make sure that you do is that you shorten the URL. Okay, so let's actually do that here real quick. Let's go to one of my test stores here. So let's say you're inside of your Shopify store. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here to online store, and then I'm going to click on navigation right here, and then I'm going to click on URL redirects right up here. And I'm going to create a URL redirect just like this one, right? So for example, what's happening here is that I'm sending people to Cute Cat Necklace, right? So they're going to my domain, which is joaquinsteststore.com, let's say, /Cute Cat Necklace, and then they're being redirected to the actual product, right? So how you guys do that is that you're just going to click right here on add URL redirect. You're going to put in here, for example, vegetable slicer, and then down here you're going to put the entire link to the actual product. And so the reason why you want to do this is because what a lot of people do when it comes to putting their website URL in the actual text and all that is that they'll use one of those bit links, right? And that seems a little scammy for people, and people a lot of the times don't want to click on those links because it kind of looks like a spam link, honestly. So what you're going to do here is that instead of doing that, you're going to put something like joaquinsteststore.com, right? Whatever your domain is, vegetable slicer, right? And so now this looks like an actual link to people. Now, obviously, that's not the only thing that I'm going to put there, but that is what I'm going to put like here, for example, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So that's all I'm going to put there. Now I need to figure out, let's actually just put Google just for this example, but in there, obviously, you would put your product URL. So now in the text, which is the text of the actual advertisement, I'm going to go back on Facebook. And I don't want this text because this is a giveaway and I'm not doing a giveaway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the home page right here. And I'm going to look up get yours now or get yours here. Okay, get yours here. And then again, just as before, I'm going to click right here on date posted. I'm going to click on 2018. I'm going to click on choose date. And I'm going to click on March. And now what I'm looking for, let me click right here on see all. What I'm looking for again are posts with a lot of shares, posts with a lot of likes, to kind of see what their descriptions are and to see what is currently working right now. Okay, because I want to model something that is working right now. So let's see what we could find around here. So this has 1.4K shares, 979 comments. So let's take a look at this. So the smartest way to dry and style your hair at once, 50% off now, get yours here. Okay, so now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna come back to my advertisement. I'm gonna paste it here. Obviously, I'm not selling a hair dryer product, right? I'm selling this thing. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of the smartest way to dry and style your hair, I'm gonna put the smartest way to slice and dice your vegetables at once, right? So I basically copied what these people are saying about your hair, your vegetables fast. So let's say fast. And then here, maybe I'll put an emoji of like a vegetable. Is that even a thing? Emoji copy. Let's see if there's a vegetable emoji. Search vegetable. Okay, so somewhat. I guess we'll use a tomato. Sounds good. Okay. So I'm going to go back to the advertisement. Instead of this hair thing, I'm going to put this 50% off now. Perfect. Get yours here. And then here's where I would put that link that I just showed you guys. You see how these people right here are using the same strategy that I told you, where they're not sending you to a bit.ly link because it looks kind of scammy. So here you would put joaquinsteststore.com and then /vegetable slicer. Okay. And let's wait till this video. Why is this video not uploading? So this is actually, this is literally the way that we go out there and we create these advertisements, right? Where we see what's working for other people by using Facebook and by seeing how many shares, how many likes things have, and we get our videos from there. We get ideas for descriptions and things like that, right? So it's actually a really good way to do all of this because we're modeling things that are literally working right now. Like people are literally making money with this right now. I'm gonna cut. Okay, so the actual video is loading right now. So let's see what we're gonna put for the headline. So let's see what these people have: two-way rotating curling iron. Okay, so let's see what type of keywords I could come up with this. So vegetable slicer. So there it is. See, so my advertisement is about 80% done right now. Let's see how that looks. Perfect. I'm not gonna put Google there. The smartest way to slice and dice your vegetables fast, 50% off now, get yours here. Yeah, so that sounds good. Let me make sure there's no spacing before this actual thing here. Okay, perfect. So I'm actually gonna put this up. I think it looks better up there. So the smartest way to slice and dice your vegetables fast, 50% off now. I'm actually going to bring this down one right here. Maybe I'll bring the tomato down too. Guys, you just have to kind of make it look nice, right? Like what looks nice to you. So see, this looks really nice. The smartest way to slice and dice your vegetables fast. Maybe I'll put an exclamation point there. Take this one off. 50% off now. Get yours here. And then is the link to my actual store. And I'm going to put spaces here because I have OCD. So get yours here, joaquinsteststore.com, vegetable slicer. This is a super clean advertisement. You have your video right there that is obviously working, right? And it's working because other people are getting tons of likes, tons of shares from it. And in the headline, let's just put vegetable slicer. Put like #1 vegetable slicer of 2018 or something like that. Let's go ahead. Let's keep looking through some advertisements and see what people are using. So this one has 528 shares. Let's see. Okay, let's keep going. 342. And this is even a good strategy for you to go out there and find actual products, right? So look, these people just put a link here. Like, that's pretty bad. Let's see what else. Let's see what these people are writing. 847. This is literally like free product research right here. Like, it's obvious what is working because these people have so many shares, so many likes, and so many comments that are actually really, really recent, right? Okay, so let's go back and let's see what's missing. So the smartest way to slice and dice your vegetables fast, 50% off now, get yours here. And then you have this #1 vegetable slicer of 2018. And then obviously you're going to have a description of your product in your store. And then that's what's going to show down here in the news feed link description. And guys, this is literally how you go out there and you create an effective Facebook advertising fast, right? And not only how I created this, but what I did right in front of your face to be able to create this in a way that I know is effective. And the reason why I know that it is effective is because it's working for other people, right? And since it's working for other people, they've done all the testing for us. They have done the entire case study. They've spent the money. They've wasted the money in testing for us. And then we're taking what they have, we're repurposing it, right? We're modeling what they're using and going out there and creating an advertisement that we know is going to be a lot more effective. And so I think this is going to be a great video for anyone out there who struggles in trying to figure out what type of advertisements to create. Okay, you literally go on Facebook, you type in the keywords at the top, you do the date posted, right? You want to check March, and you check for things that have a lot of engagement, a lot of likes, and a lot of posts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a comment down below, drop a like. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys maybe used this before, I imagine that maybe some of you have seen this strategy somewhat before. I hope this guys helps. Hope this guys helps. Yeah, that's exactly what I meant to say. Hope this helps, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video.